Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and unfortunately our fridge did not come with an ice maker built in, so we had to get an ice maker that was not going to take up too much space in our tiny kitchen. Fortunately, we found this one from Joy Pebble, and not only is it small and compact, it has a handle so you can take it out with you when you go camping or if you're having picnics or if you just need to move it around easily to drain the water. This ice maker is also extremely easy to use. You just put water in the reservoir there and you're ready to go. You would just turn it on and then you can choose if you want the ice to be small or large. This is the large size and it's so cool to watch how it works, how it dispenses the ice, and then the little mechanism pushes them right into your basket for you. It also works super fast. In just 6 minutes, you'll have 9 pieces of ice. And this ice is so perfect. It's the perfect amount of crunchiness. It doesn't hurt your teeth if you love crunching on ice. And I love that it comes with a scoop. It's very convenient for filling up your cups. I love filling up my water bottle every single day with this ice. It keeps my water nice and cold. And we also like to put them in freezer Ziplocs and put them in the freezer to save for later. In case people come over, we can have ice ready to go in the freezer. So if you're in the market for an ice maker that is not going to take up too much space, it's not too loud, and it's really easy to use, but most importantly makes the best soft ice, definitely check out Joy Pebble. You're going to love this ice maker. It's a lifesaver, especially in the summer, and that's my point of view.